Hello, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do a straw set on my hair. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So without any more talking, let's get down to business. So I got a pack of straw. I don't know how many straws are in here, but there are many. I got the regular straw, like the type that you use for serving drinks at parties, the soft ones. I got this for 150 naira, as less than $1, so very cheap. Then I'm also going to be using bobby pins, and I'll be using my hair mist, my shea butter for moisture, and I'll also be using the Eco Styler Crystal Gel. I saw this tutorial on Only One Jess's video and it came out so good, so I decided that I'm going to try it. I have no idea how it's going to turn out on my hair. I hope it comes out good. Like, I washed my hair 2 days ago, so my hair is pretty much clean and moisturized. I'm going to start off and get a hang of it first off camera, then I'll come back to show you guys how I do it. Well, I've done 2 and I think I get the gist of what this is about, so let me show you guys how I'm going to be doing it. I'll take a section of hair. I'm doing like small sections so it's going to be a really long day. So I'm doing about that size. Then take it out, then I'll spray some of my hair mist first on the end, then just gently work my way up. I'm not putting too much of this because I don't want my hair to be wet. I just want it to be slightly damp and more manageable so that it will dry fast, because if you make your hair soaking wet, it's going to take forever to dry. Then I'll just like separate. Then I'll apply some shea butter, just this much on the ends, then I'll do roots and just like work my way to the rest of the hair. Then gently finger detangle. Now for this style, I'm going to be using a comb to detangle my hair because I feel like it's going to come out better if your hair is smooth, like very smooth, and only a comb can do that. My fingers will not give me the smoothness that I need. So after applying the shea butter, I'll go ahead and apply some of the gel, just a little bit. You don't want to apply too much. I'm not going to be applying too much because if you've watched my last video that I used this gel, it flaked in my hair, so I don't want to put too much so that I don't have the same experience. So just a little on the end and just work my way up to the rest of the hair. Then I'll detangle with my Afro Peak. You can use a detangling brush. I feel like that will give you better results. Just gently detangle. Then after detangling with that, I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my ends with this. I'm trying to get my hair as smooth as possible. That's why I'm doing this. I'll first like roll my hair at the root, and then I'll put the straw and just like wrap it around, just wrap my hair around the straw. But as I'm wrapping, I'm still like turning my hair wrap. I'm leaving some space like in between each wrap because I do not want the coils to be very tight, so that's why I'm doing this. When I get to the end, I'll still detangle again with this. Then I'll apply some more shea butter on the ends. This step is very important, very important, just to smooth it a little bit. Then I'll apply some more gel, just like a little bit on the end. This will help the hair to stay, like it will help it stick to the straw. And I'll just continue to wrap, just wrap it around, so you can see it's not unraveling, like it's stuck to the thread, and that's because of the gel and the shea butter that I applied. Then for the roots, I'm going to take my bobby pin and just put it in at the root, just to secure it so that it doesn't unravel. Got tired along the line and started doing bigger sections, so my technique has changed a little bit, so let me show you guys what I've been doing. So after applying all the products and detangling I showed you guys earlier, this is how I now fix this. So I twirl the hair, then I insert the straw, wrap my hair around it. I do about 2 wraps, then I secure the part of the thread up. I secure it to the bobby pin. Notice that with bigger sections, like my hair kind of compresses the straw, and so it's not usually straight, as you can see. When I was doing smaller sections, I didn't have this problem, but I cannot continue to do small sections because that will just take forever. When I get to the tip, I take my rat tail comb, tangle, and then apply some more shea butter. And then follow up with some gel. Then I continue to wrap. So this is what it looks like. This is what I told you guys about, like it's no longer straight because sections are big. The back, like the first few ones I did at the back, that were very small. Like I didn't have that problem. Like you can see the straws, like these 3, the straws are straight. But for all these ones that are now big, like the straws are no longer straight because my hair like compresses the straw. I hope this will not affect the final result. I hope it will still come out good, but let me warn you guys, this is not something that you can do in 30 minutes. True, if you ever decide to do this hairstyle, just make sure that you have time because this is going to take so long. I'll just finish the rest off camera and then I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. It's the next day and I believe my hair is completely dry. Like my hair is, the straws are not straight now because I slept with a satin scarf. So my hair is dry but it's quite humid, so it feels cold. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to remove the straws from my hair and let my hair dry without the straws for a little bit. So to remove the straw, I'll first okay, let me do this one here. I'll first remove the bobby pin at the roots. Then I'll start to remove the straw, like just wind it in the opposite direction. Then when I get to the end that is somewhat straight, I'll just like pull my hair out. I feel like this is going to come out so good. I love how the ends are like, I should have done everything like that. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm done removing all the straws and this is what my hair looks like. Like the back section look better than the front. The ones I did small, like this first one, I don't know if you guys can see, it's just perfect, like all spirally, and because it's quite small and I like wrapped it without much space, so this came out good. So if you choose to do this hairstyle, I think you should take your time to make everything small and wrap them close instead of leaving space in between. So now I'm going to wait for my hair to dry some more and then I'll come back to separate. So it's been raining all day and I don't think the rain is going to stop, so like the humidity is really bad. I don't think my hair is going to get any drier than this, except I use a good dryer and I don't want to lose heat on my hair this time around. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate. So after all the hard work, this is just so sad. Now you guys know why I always wear puffs. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I'm actually going to wear a puff, like it's official. Puff, it's going to